Camera rolling and action. अबे थोड़ा तेज घुमा कर.
Okay.
Okay, cut. Take 2. Camera rolling. Action.
What the?
Cut. अबे यार. Take 3. Camera rolling. Action.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good and staying safe during this pandemic situation. So recently I have got myself this JBL T100 TWS Bluetooth headset. So in this particular video I am going to put up a honest review of this product after a usage of 1 week, and no other videos on YouTube is going to give you such honest review. So by the end of this video आपको पता चल जाएगा कि इस प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या खामियां हैं, and at the same time why this product is a good option to buy given a budget of rupees 5000. So let's get going, but before starting I would like to request you कि आप अगर मेरे चैनल पे नए हो kindly to subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you. First let us talk about packaging. So this is the packet that I have received, and which looks quite good and stylish in itself. And upon opening the seal I have found all these items: a manual and a guidebook, the charging case, extra sets of earpads, and the data cable apart from the headset itself. So I would give full marks to the packaging, which looks quite good and well thought of. Next I will talk about the functioning of the earpads. So functioning समझने के लिए आपके पैकेज के साथ आता है ये क्विक स्टार्ट गाइड. So जिसमें you will find each and every functionalities of the earpads explained quite nicely, starting from how to wear the earpads till to the point of connecting it to your device, charging them, and what are the late behaviors of the earpads. सब कुछ इसमें बहुत अच्छी तरह से मेंशन किया हुआ है. So ये थोड़ा देख लीजिएगा and you will hopefully understand the functioning of the earpads quite well, I guess. So next let's talk about the design, build and fitting. So this is the charging case that I have with me, and let me just wear them. Yes, they fits quite well in my ear, and I think they also looks very stylish while wearing them. And the best part is they are fitting so well in my ear. I guess even if I do jogging or even if I do exercise, I think they're not going to come out. So let me try this. I'm vigorously shaking my head, but they're not going to come out. So the fitting is quite well, and even if I look at the design of the earpads, they are quite nice small design. लेकिन मैं जो ये सही फिटिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ, इसका सबसे एसेंशियल पार्ट है द साइज ऑफ द ईयरबड. सो इन द पैकेट यू गेट 3 डिफरेंट साइजेस ऑफ द ईयरबड, स्मॉल, मीडियम एंड लार्ज, एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ईयर साइज कौन सा आपके कान में सबसे सही बैठता है. तो मेरे कानों में ये लार्ज वाला साइज सबसे सही बैठता है. ट्रायल करने के बाद मुझे पता चला, वो तीनों मैंने ट्रायल किया. सो टू गेट द बेस्ट पॉसिबल साउंड एंड द बेस्ट फिट, you need to find out which sizes fits into your the best. So in the box the battery life is claimed to be 17 hours, 5 hours on the set and 12 hours on the charging case. And after using the item for last 1 week, I think the battery life is quite good both on the headset and the charging case as well. So I think it may count up to 17 hours actually. So a lot of has been talked about the bass boosting of these sets both on the advertising sites and even on the packaging itself, but I feel after using this for last 1 week, the bass boost is not as high as it is being claimed or as it is being showcased. So if you're expecting the distinct bass notes to stand out specifically, then I think you're going to be disappointed. But overall there is a good balance between the low, mid and high, and you can get overall good sound. The connectivity is entirely automatic. The moment you bring them out of the charging case, they get connected to your device, provided your device Bluetooth is turned on. But the problem is, to be honest, the voice starts breaking beyond 10 meters or 15 meters of distance. And the right side piece is the master piece. So if you want to use this as a one-ear mode, you can do that. You just need to bring the right side earpiece out of the charging case, and it will get connected as a one-ear mode. But after some time, if you want to use it as a two-ear mode, you must keep this back into the charging case and bring both the earpads out of the charging case. Then only it will get again connected to two-ear mode. So this is a small hack that is there. If you want to switch between one-ear mode and two-ear mode, that you need to keep in mind. The mic is extremely good and powerful to the point of annoying the other person on the call. सच में मैं ये सच बता रहा हूँ from my personal experience, because it picks up all the external sounds around you very clearly and very sharply, and it appears as a noise to the person who is in the call with you. So sometimes it somehow discards the purpose of using a headset itself. Finally, talking about long hour usages, like long hour video calls or video editing, I would not highly recommend these headsets, because after use of a couple of hours at a stretch, ये थोड़ा कानों में annoying और uncomfortable लगने लगता है. But I guess if you give a gap of 10 to 15 minutes between every hour of usage, this is not going to be a big issue. So on an overall basis, if you are looking something within budget friendly options, let's say within rupees 5,000, I think this is one of the best options available in the market. Although there are some hiccups here and there that I've spoke about regarding mic quality or longer usage, etc. But within rupees 5,000, I think this is the best possible earbuds that you can get in market right now. So go get this.